Hi, this is India with Bags and Lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am extra excited to tell you about the announcement that I'm going to give you at the end. As you can see, I'm following all over my words because I am very excited. But you have to stay tuned till the end to hear about the exciting news. First off, we'll talk about, as you can see from the title, I am going to recap the items that I was able to acquire off of my luxury wish list. Now, quick spill here is, I don't have like a luxury wish list by year. I just have items on my list, and then when I acquire them, I acquire them. So this will just be a long-standing list. Now, I've only gotten 2 items actually because that's how it works. So I was looking around for both of them. I wanted to recap, and as you have commonly seen with videos towards the end of the year, since we're in December, a lot of YouTubers are talking about kind of the recapping on their luxury items that they purchased over the year, best and worst, or what I got. So this one would just be a what I got, because there's only 2 items that I've acquired from off my luxury wish list. All right, so let's get into it. So first up is going to be, actually, we'll go in order. Let's do that. Order of purchase. So I talked about wanting a either Ferragamo Studio or a Celine luggage in the nano size or the next size up, which I think is the small, and went for the Ferragamo. So funny thing is, if you saw that video, which I will link in the description box, the photo that I showed, this kind of similar color, it was a bright hot pink color, had silver hardware. Funny enough is when I went to the Ferragamo outlet specifically to look for this bag, I got so excited when they said they had this color in. I didn't even realize that the hardware was not silver and it's gold. I didn't even realize till months later that the one I was looking for was the one with the silver hardware, not the gold hardware. But I absolutely do not mind having the one with the gold hardware. So excited I got that piece. And a lot of YouTubers, you'll hear them say, I'm obsessed, I'm obsessed, I'm obsessed. I don't think I say that too often, but I think we can qualify that as an obsession. Even though there are some cons with this bag, I absolutely love it. And I will say I'm obsessed because I have 2. I have 2. So I just like them so much. So I usually am a person who does not buy 2 of the same thing. And I did this time. So that shows you how much I like it. Moving on. So next item that I did check on my luxury wish list was a pair of earrings. And I got these as a, celebration for an accomplishment that I made at work. I've been praying and writing my plans down and things like that and reciting them. But I didn't expect it to happen when it literally happened like a year earlier than what I even wrote down. So very excited about that. And there's these Robert Cohen. I always say Cohen, but I think it's Robert Cohen. Cohen. Robert Cohen earrings. So these, trying to hold them up in the box so you can see them. They're mother of pearl, and then they're the daisy with a little small diamond in the middle. I love them. And quick spill here, just to kind of be very transparent, and hopefully this helps someone else out. I initially liked these earrings and started looking into them 2 years ago. And with my research, I started looking into kind of reviews on Robert Cohen, because it's not one of those brands that you see a lot talked about on social media. But I did find a purse forum thread about Robert Cohen versus VCA. And people basically were ragging on Robert Cohen because they were saying some of his styles were similar to VCA, and it's like a knockoff. And people do that a lot of times, which is so aggravating when you're talking about a storied fashion house and then they talk about another, like a storied brand, a historic, iconic brand with another brand that may not have been around as long. But I mean, Robert Cohen jewelry, I think, has been around since the 80s. So that's a long time still. Is it hundreds of years? Is it 50, 60, 70, 100 years? No, but from 1980 till now is still a long time to still be in the jewelry game. And long story short to say, people were talking about and saying some of the styles that they had were similar or like a knockoff version of VCA, and I kind of let that influence me, and I kind of thought, oh, well, I do see some of the styles that are similar, but Robert Cohen also puts his own twist to it, so it wasn't like it was a exact copy for copy type of thing. And there's a lot of brands that kind of do some similar styles, and they all get inspiration from each other. So anyway, just to say that, to say I let that influence me for a little bit, but I kept going back to those earrings and kept wanting them. And I thought, why am I letting someone else influence what I want? It's my money. It's my opinion. I need to buy what I want to buy. And so I bought them, and I'm so happy I did. I got them on sale. Not as good of a sale as the original time when I was looking at them, but I still was able to get them at a discounted price, so I'm happy about that, as well as to signify an accomplishment that I made. So thank you for that. So now on to the announcement. We have made it to the milestone number of 200 subscribers. I am so excited. So if you have joined me this year and have not seen my old video where I talked about my milestone from last Christmas, actually last December around this time, I said that when I made it to 200 subscribers, I wanted to do a giveaway. Now, granted, I understand that 200 subscribers is nothing compared to people's channels that have thousands to hundreds of thousands to millions of subscribers. But 200 is a lot to me, and it's very important and very significant. I just want to say thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you to everybody who has liked my videos, who takes the time to comment, who also takes the time to subscribe. I really do appreciate it, because I could not hit this number without each and every one of you that have subscribed so far. And a special thank you also to the folks that do the extra and like the videos, as well as comment down below, because it really does help my channel out. And my channel is really, really small, so it really, really matters when you watch a video and you don't like it. So the algorithm kind of doesn't prioritize my video to push it up to more people because of that. So this is just a quick spiel here to say, please like it. When you hear YouTubers ask you to like it and subscribe, it really does matter. And it really, really does matter for smaller channels like mine that I do as a hobby. So just a quick PSA here. Please like the videos, and please also subscribe if you're enjoying the content, but just at least like it. Like the video, please. All right, so one of the reasons that I wanted to start this channel is to talk about brands that I purchase, brands that are not kind of more of the mainstream type of brand. So if you don't know, or if you're new to YouTube, or if you've been around for a while, you're already going to know what I'm going to say. A lot of people, as far as like, for example, the jewelry space, are talking about Tiffany, VCA, and Cartier. There are so many other jewelry brands out there besides those three, but that's what's trending because that's what everybody wants to see. That's what everybody's talking about. Also, on the handbag side of the game is things that trend are Hermes, LV, and Chanel. If it's not one of those three, you're not really going to trend as much, which is one of the reasons why my channel is small. It's not like I haven't made mistakes, but that is one of the reasons why my channel is smaller, because I'm talking about Ferragamo. Ferragamo is not a trending topic. I'm talking about Robert Cohen. I'm talking about Burberry. So I'm talking about things that I gravitate towards, that I actually buy, that I actually use. And for the most part, it's not the mainstream things. But I know that there's a lot of people out there that, want to know more about other brands than just those three or just those 4 or 5. There's so many out there in all of these luxury goods, in the luxury goods space. And I want to share those different brands with you. And so I am so appreciative when I see comments where people are saying, thank you for talking about something different than what everybody else is talking about. Because that's one of the reasons I made this channel. One of the reasons why I wanted to do this as a hobby is to share other brands that don't get the highlight that they should. So all that to say, yeah, just did that quick story. So pretty much buy what you want to buy what you like, and explore, because there's so many out there. Now, as you can see from the item, it kind of goes along with a thread, or kind of the reason why I went through that spiel is because It is an Aspinall of London piece. It will come in the box that you saw it packaged in. And it's a kind of rose gold kind of color. So it is a beautiful metallic card holder. But the reason why I mentioned or got on my little soapbox, so it has 2 slots on the front. There is a middle slot here. Try not to like touch it too much. I'm like, this is somebody else's. I'm not going to fumble with it too much, but it has a slot in the middle and then it's 2 slots on the front. So I got this because there are guys that subscribe to my channel and I felt like this is a great gender neutral color. I love pops of color. And then like I said, because in the United States, Aspinall London is not as popular as in other countries, that this would be something that kind of speaks to my channel where I'm talking about a brand that may not be as well known. So the rules. Let's get to the rules on how you can enter to get this lovely piece. And again, thank you. I really do appreciate it. Every comment I get, every new subscriber, I literally say, thank you, God. Literally, every new subscriber, that's what I say. And then every comment that I get is so refreshing and helpful, and it invigorates me and keeps me going and things like that. So I really do appreciate it when you guys leave comments down below. All right, so here are the rules. So this video will release on December 30th. I will leave the video up or the contest open until January 30th. So that'll be January 30th, 11:59 midnight Eastern time. So we're going to do Eastern time. So wherever you are in the world, make sure you enter by then. Okay, so the rules are just like this video. Also subscribe to my channel. Also, I want you to leave the smiley face. I'm looking at my little notebook. Also, I want you to leave the smiley face emoji with the sunshades, and I'll throw up a photo. I want that emoji down below, and that tells me that you want to enter into the contest. Now, in addition to that, it is required that you also leave either your Facebook, I was about to say Facebook identification, but whatever your name is on Facebook, leave that. Or you can leave your IG handle. That way I have a way to contact you. So those are the requirements. Like, subscribe, smiley face, emoji with the sunglasses, and then also a way to contact you, which will either be through Facebook or IG. Now, a little extra in there, because I want to continue to make videos that you're interested in, is going to be leave a comment down below if there's a video you would like to see or a question that you have. And if I'm able to answer it, if I'm able to do a video on it, I will definitely add it to my content planning list for 2023 and I will do a video on it. So that's extra. You don't have to, but it will be greatly appreciated. Now, just so I can let you know what to expect. So my email address that I will use is down in the bottom in my description box. Now, what I will do is if you are the winner, I will try to contact you through either IG or or Instagram. IG or Facebook first. I will go to your page and see if I can find your email address. If I can find your email address, I will directly email you from the email address that you see in my description box. If I cannot email you from that, then I will message you either through Instagram or Facebook to let you know that you won. I know there are a lot of scammers that are happening out there. Luckily, my channel is not that big, so I'm hoping that it won't be running rampant, or I won't have, if I have any issues, it's going to be very little because, you know, my channel is smaller, so hopefully they're not targeting me, my channel. But if they do, make sure you're verifying the name to make sure you're getting it from me. Basically is what I'm saying. So that's what we'll do. It's open worldwide now. Since I live in the United States, we know some things are going on in the world. If I cannot ship to your country because the U.S. does not allow me to, I am sorry, but I can't. But it is open to anyone that I can ship to. And so good luck and thank you again. I'm really appreciative. I don't know how to express that enough, but it really matters, and I'm so appreciative of each and every one of you that watch my videos, that subscribe, and as well as take time to like my videos and as well as comment. Thank you so much. All right, so I will talk to you again soon.